Hey, my name is Lee Bennett, your local Orlando real estate agent. Today we are located in Leesburg, Florida at the community of Liberty Preserve. Today we're going to check out a home by Taylor Morrison Home. It is their Magnolia Floorplan. It consists of 1 story, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and it's 2,106 square feet of living space. There are HOA fees, which amounts to about $90 per month, which covers access to the top lot and the picnic area. There are no CDDs, so that's good news. You don't have to worry about extra costs with that. And the base price for this house at the time of this video is $335,995. And so with that, this is a great location because right up the street, not even 5 minutes, you have the mall, which consists of the Via Entertainment, where you have golf cart, bowling, laser tag, arcades, anything your kids would desire, they have it at this mall right up the street. Also to mention, we have the Chick-fil-A that's being built up the street. You have a Chipotle, Starbucks, Publix. All of this is within a mile radius. So you have access to a lot right in this location. So this would be a great area to buy your next home. Let's check it out. The Magnolia Floorplan by Taylor Morrison Homes. All right, so now we are outside of the Magnolia Floorplan. As you can see, this is the model home. However, this would be where your 2-car garage would be at, with your driveway. On the outside, you see that you have a foyer area, and then a porch where you can fit a bench. A lot of space. You got your GFCI, where you can hook up your Christmas lighting or whatever it is for the holidays. Check out all this space right here. Enjoy this. You know, you have a good day outside, sunny, you know, you just want to chill. All right, let's check out the inside. So now we are inside. This is the foyer area, entrance area. And as you can see, it's pretty spacious. You can fit a credenza or like this, a shelf or table here. When we walk in to our immediate right, we have bedroom number 2. As we go into it, we see that it is pretty spacious. It is 11 by 12 feet. You fit a full-size or queen size in this bedroom. Nice size credenza and a mirror. Looks great. And check out the 2 windows we have right here, which is letting in a lot of natural light. And it's knee height, so that's more lighting that you're able to have come in. All right, and then right here we have the half step-in closet. All right, and then let's check out the bathroom, which would be for whoever sleeps in this bedroom. As you can see, you have your quartz countertops. Looks beautiful. You have your gooseneck, the pendant lighting. I like the white on white. It looks pretty clean in here. So now we're gonna pass by the area, the living area and kitchen, to check out the 2 bedrooms. This would be your laundry room, your mud room because that is the garage, your 2-car garage. The 2-car garage is 20 feet by 19 feet. And then we walk in and we are entering into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is 10 feet, 2 inches by 11 feet, 10 inches. So it's a decent sized room, maybe for your toddler or 12-year-old or under, however you want to do it. And then you have the half step-in closet. nice shutters. You have your hi-hat lighting. And then it is carpet also. All right, and then let's head out, check out this bathroom. Full service bathroom. As you can see, white on white, which I like. It just makes things stand out, the bathroom stand out. Then you have your linen closet behind this door. It's gonna be tough to get to, it's all good. And then we have, you know, your tub with your shower, pendant lighting. There's a lot going on in here. And then now, bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 is 14 by 10 feet. So it's a little bigger than bedroom number 3. And this would be probably for your high schooler, maybe even your college student. It's a lot more space in here. You have your half step-in closet, which is pretty spacious. Check out these doors. All right. It's pretty dope because now you don't even have to worry about opening doors, taking up space. You have your pocket doors right here. Then also you have your hi-hat lighting and carpet on the inside. And this is a lot of space because this is a queen size, I believe. And then check out this much area from the bed to the credenza. So there's plenty you can do in this room. All right, let's head back out. Let's check out the kitchen and the great room. All right, now we are in the open concept area. All right, we have your informal dining to the right. You have your kitchen with a nice size, huge island. And then you have your great room over there. Let's start with the informal dining area, which is 13 by 16 feet. It's a nice size, as you can see, the rectangle table. I like this. I would not put a circle table in this area because it would make it feel much smaller. So now we're in the kitchen. As you can see, we have this nice, spacious island, which I would say about 10 to 12 feet by 4 to 6 feet. So it's a lot of space to have some dinner on top of the informal dining room. So if you have a big family or you like inviting people over, a lot of entertainment space. And then we have the granite counter, not granite, we have the quartz countertops, which, like I said, the white on white, it's pretty nice. You have 42-inch cabinets. You have the overhang, which has the vent to let out the smoke and the smell of the food for the most part. You have the range, which is gas. This is a gas community, so we'll have to deal with gas. I like gas. Some people don't like gas, but for this community, we will be dealing with gas. Also, it comes with the dishwasher, all appliances included, right? Then you have the deep sink. Check out this deep sink with the gooseneck. Pretty nice. All right. Then you have your refrigerator, which comes with the home. And then the walk-in pantry. A lot of space. If you have a big family, you got all the food you need right in there. All right, now let's check out the great room or living area. The great room area is about 17 by 16 feet. All right, so it's a nice size area for entertainment. As you can see, you have this huge TV up on the wall, which you're gonna need to entertain this amount of space. It's filled up with people. Also, you have enough space for a credenza, L-shaped couch. There's a lot of space in there. All right, let's check out the patio or cover lanai. Cover lanai is optional and it is 9 by 4. All right, it is an upgrade that you can have. Let's check it out. I like the sliding doors, which opens up. Also, you have the screen. So like in Florida, there are a lot of mosquitoes. So if you don't want to deal with the mosquitoes, blind and the ones that can't see, and you can have this, the sliding door open with the screen door, and still have air coming in and not have to deal with bugs. All right, and then the cover the 9, like I said, it's optional. It is 9x4, so it's a lot of space. 9x4, so it is a lot of space to have entertainment. And then also, all of this is your yard all the way to the trees. So you would be able to have the option to put a pool or whatever, fence it in, whatever you want to do with your backyard. All right, now let's check out the primary bedroom. All right, so as we walk in the primary suite, you see how much bigger this room is compared to all of the rest of them. It is 13 by 15 feet. It has high hat lighting. All right, the room is pretty spacious. It has carpet. This is definitely a king size bed. And just check out how much more space you have with the king size bed. All right, you have your nightstands. You have your nightstands on the side, 2 of them, with a little extra space, even more than that. All right, and then you have your window, which brings in the natural lighting. Check out the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet has L shape, which you can separate your clothes, his and hers. Not sure how much you and your spouse and then now let's look at this bathroom. Bathroom has quartz countertops also with the white cabinets and mostly functional. You got your goosenecks, the his and hers vanity sink, your walk-in shower. What you got? I like it. I'm digging it. And then you have your linen closet right behind. Actually, linen closet. You have your commode, your toilet, which is sectioned off, which is pretty dope because who wants to be in the same room with somebody that's, you know what. This builder is paying all closing costs, and you have the option for a 4.8 interest rate. So please make a move on this home as soon as possible. If you have any questions, give me a call at 813-297-0599. Lee Bennett, your local Orlando real estate agent, and we're out.